Alright, what's up you guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and this is my channel. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. So in today's video, I'm going over 9 hidden secrets in the Lyft Driver app, as well as a bonus secret that I'm going to be sharing after I go over the 9 secrets. So if you're a driver for Lyft, then some of these things you might not know about, and some of these things you might already know about. But if you're a new driver, these are definitely things that you probably didn't know that actually do exist in the Lyft Driver app. I myself have been driving for a while, so I've discovered these things on my own, as well as talking with other drivers and, you know, really diving right into the app. So I'm gonna scoot over here, pop up my screen here, and let's go over it together. So as you can see, here is my phone here. This is my Lyft Driver app. So the first secret that I'm going to be telling you is your rate card. Don't worry about my location. This is not where I live, so don't worry about that. So in order to find your rate card, this is how much Lyft is paying you per mile and per minute. You click on your profile here, then you go to dashboard. Then what you want to do is click on these 3 little dashes here and click on rate card. This is super important. You definitely want to know how much you're actually making. I am currently in Orange County, and this is the zone that I'm in. Yeah, this is the zone that I'm in, and I can go over all of the rates in my area. I just drive normal Lyft, so as you can see, I make 79.5 cents, or pretty much 80 cents per mile, 12 cents a minute. And that's the minimum rate is $2.40, which it did drop a little bit for the minimum rate. There's the maximum rate, 300. So just know that if you're driving Lyft, and make sure you know your maximum rate. That way, if you do get a ride that's like, I don't know, across the state for whatever reason, I mean, these things do happen. Know that you're only really gonna be making $300 maximum. And then also, if you are considering upgrading to Lux, or you know, Lyft XL, or these are the premium ones. You know, if you're thinking about getting a Tesla or something, as you can see, per mile goes up to $1.80, so a whole $1 more per mile. So it's pretty much, yeah, over twice as much. And just so you guys know some quick math, like the way I think of it, 80 cents per mile, I'm pretty much making almost pretty much $1 per mile. So when I see a ride that, you know, they don't tell you how much you're gonna make per ride, but if you see that it's 20 miles away, I'm probably gonna make somewhere around, you know, $20 or maybe a little bit less, like 18 or 19. So that's how I calculate it. But yeah, the rate card, definitely know your own rate card. The next one is destination mode. This one is super important. If you guys didn't know, you can set your destination where you want to go. So right now I'm in, you know, South Orange County, and let's say I want to go up north to LA, which I actually do want to go later on because, yeah, I don't want to get into it, but so let's say I want to go to LA, I can click on here on the top right, and there's destination, and I can click next. So you get 6 of these, and I can actually click on. Okay, well, I don't want to. I'm gonna have to blur some of this out, but you can actually click on. Let's just type in Los Angeles here, and let's say I want to go to the airport, right? Now it's 68 minutes. I'm not gonna set the filter, but Lyft will actually pair me with somebody who's gonna be going in that route. So they might not be going all the way there, you know, and I'm pretty sure it's like only 1 or 2 miles out of the way at most. And a lot of times, if you just sit around and wait, you will, you know, it might take like 30 minutes or so, but you'll get a ride that goes on the way. That way you're not wasting miles just driving there without a passenger. And this actually could help a lot, even if you're not like a full-time driver or even like a part-time driver. You can just, if you have a long commute to work, get up a little bit extra early, maybe like an hour earlier, and set your destination and see if you can get paired with somebody going there, as well as on your way home. That way you're basically getting paid to commute. Okay, the next one, this is super important. It is scheduled pickup. So right here, a lot of people don't know about this, but as you can see right here, there's a scheduled pickup available. That's a pretty good one, $23 to $33, and yeah, this is for tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. And then you can basically, what you want to do, I mean, this is probably going to be taken pretty quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody picks it up right now. But usually there's like a list of scheduled pickups, and you can just go on here, refresh, and sometimes you get a good ride. Like I found $50, $60 rides on there. That way it's just pretty much guaranteed that you're gonna get a good ride. I think it's not 100% that you will get that ride, but it basically puts that in your queue. And you know, you need to be online, logged on, and nearby in order for it to accept it. You know, you make sure you want to be online at least, like, you know, however far away you are from that, so that way you will actually get the ride. So that could be very helpful as well. I know a lot of people who just go on scheduled pickups before they go to bed. All right, the next one, jobs at Lyft. This one is super important. So I believe this is in your dashboard. Click on the 3 little lines here, and I believe it's down, is it under help? Where's this? Sometimes I can't even find these things. This one is a hard one, but you can actually get a job with Lyft. How do you find that? Come on, Dylan, you can do it. I believe in you. Is it settings? No, I doubt it would be settings. Hold on. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Jobs at Lyft. Go right here and click on jobs at Lyft, and these are all the list of available jobs. Like if you're a student, you can click here, and these are like list of you can be an intern, or if you're a new graduate, apprentices, associate product managers. Basically all you do is type in where you are, where do you want a job, and a lot of times it does help that you are a driver as well. That way you have experience with Lyft already, you're already, you know, familiar with the app. Let's say you have a business degree as well, or, you know, a psychology degree. Psychology is a great degree to get into marketing, because you understand the way people think, and that could be very, very valuable asset to have as well. But yeah, you know, if you want to get a job with like an actual salary and benefits, you can definitely apply for Lyft as well. Sorry, my friend is calling me. Let me just text her back really quick. Minutes. Okay, the next secret, guys, is, ooh, this is really good. This is with referrals. So if you go into your dashboard here and you click on refer your friends, you can, and then click on manage codes here. You can create your own custom code to give out to people to sign up to be a driver or a passenger, I believe, as well. I think in the passenger one, you need to do it through the passenger app, but yeah, you can create your own custom code. I don't know, like new Lyft money maker or something. I don't know. New Lyft money make. I don't know. You can create that. I don't know. Something went wrong. Maybe it's not available. New Lyft money. I don't know. You can create your code. Actually, this actually doesn't work for me because I have an affiliate with Lyft that I refer everybody outside of my app to be drivers. So mine doesn't actually work in the app. But anyway, so the next one, weekly goal. This one's super important. You can set your own weekly goal. I do this. I stress like goals a lot. How do I get home? You can set your own weekly, yeah, here we go. Set your own weekly goal. As you can see, my goal is 1,924. That's what I calculated out, because that does average to around $100,000 per year, I believe. Is that right? 1,924 times 52. Yeah, just over 100,000. I want to make $100,000 a year, so that's my goal. I've made 350 bucks so far. But you can edit your goal and type in whatever you want, you know? Yeah, you can edit your goal and it'll, you know, whatever, how much you ever want to make per week. It really does help. I really like that I can see right here I have 18%. Okay, the next one is the updates tab. This one is good. I always like to check here just to see what are the new updates. The latest update, this one, we're piloting a new trip info feature. So now, as long as you have an acceptance rate over 90%, you know exactly where you're going. Well, not exactly, but it says the direction you're going and how long it is. I really like that. It's just like more of like peace of mind. I know where I'm pretty much the direction I'm heading before, so I can like plan in my head. But it kind of doesn't really work, because if you get a trip in that direction, you don't want it, and you cancel it, then you don't know for the future. So like it's not really that practical. It's just good so you know ahead of time. Anyways, this one, say lawmakers just approved AB 5. This is the whole thing going on in California. If you don't live in California, then this doesn't really apply to you. But yeah, basically the updates tab, I always check this because sometimes are really cool updates that go in. Okay, the next one is, most people didn't know this, but there's actually 2 types of help. You can get 2 types of help. There's the help right here, which basically anything, you have a problem with direct deposit, express pay, ride challenge. This is basically the driver help section. Report an accident, lost and found, earnings or bonuses. But most people don't know, but actually if you go into your dashboard again and then click these 3 dots, these 3 lines right here, and go down, there's another help right here. What's this help? This is the general help center for Lyft, both passengers and for drivers. So you can click on riding with Lyft or driving with Lyft, and there are so many help options too. And if there's nothing, you can always click contact support, and that will basically, I'll just show you. It gives you like drop down menus, and if you say I'm a driver, let's say I didn't get, let's say I had a bad passenger or something, issue with the passenger, and you can click whatever you want if the passenger is under 18, and then you just type in all your information here and then send that in, and then they will refund you for the ride or whatever it might be. Okay, the last one, guys, is health insurance. So as an independent contractor, you don't get like normal health benefits or health insurance like a normal employer would provide. However, Lyft actually has a really cool partnership with eHealth, which I'm going to show you right. Let me see if I can get to it. I think it is right here under partnerships. Does it show you driver? Where's the health? Insurance. All-in-one auto insurance. Let's see. These are more hidden gems right here. But basically, here, I need to find, sometimes this stuff, even for me, takes a long time to find. But there's so many hidden gems in here, guys. Look at all this. 1,000 ride gift. Ooh, what's that? I think it's the jacket. AMP, roadside assistance with Allstate. Tax information. They have airport information in here. Other programs. Stay up to date with the hub. Okay, I know for a fact, because I was just doing this the other day, that there is health, eHealth. I don't know why it's not popping up now. Driver, become a driver. Why Lyft? Cities, help, safety improvements, express insurance. It should be under insurance, right? Yeah, see, Lyft has a partnership with Geico, so if you guys are looking for rideshare, see, they have a rideshare policy. Okay, I can't find the health insurance part of it, but here, I'll replace it with this one, all-in-one auto insurance. And then the bonus, guys, this is a bonus one. The phone number for Lyft customer service. Not many people know about this, but make sure to write this down, put it in your phone. Here it is, right here. Bonus right here. 1-885-865-9553. That's the customer service in my area. It should work. If it doesn't work, just go on Google and type in Lyft customer service, and something should pop up. I actually went on Bing and typed it in. So yeah, but that's the number. Oh yeah, I forgot number 10, events schedule. Most people don't know this either. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I thought it was 9, it's actually 10. This one right here. Scroll up, these are all the events that are going on. These are like, yeah, some concerts. I always click on where you can see the full schedule. This is what I always do. That way you can see which days are the busiest. Like today. I know it's gonna be busier later. It just helps me to see, like, Sunday night for some reason is like super popular, Monday early morning. That way I usually try to like look at the schedule at least a day or two in advance and see what is gonna be the most popular days. It even goes up to like over a week in advance, because today's Saturday and it already has next Sunday up, which is pretty cool. It has all these events too. So anyways, guys, those are the I guess 10 secrets now. Let me pause this recording. Those are the 10 secrets of being in the Lyft Driver app. Sorry, that was a little all over the place. I thought it was 9, but it actually turns out to be 10 plus a bonus. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, subscribe so you never miss another video on my channel. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. All right, bye.